Lately this guy Pearl V Puri, who is a television actor, has been arrested by Mumbai Police on 5th June in a rape case recently lodged against him, which alleges him of raping a 12-year-old minor girl in exchange for getting her work in the industry. Now, if you guys are thinking that why is it rape if the girl herself gave consent for it in exchange for roles, then you must know that consent given by a minor is no consent. And even if whatever happened was consensual, still it will be presumed that there was no consent on the victim's part, as she was not competent to give it on account of being a minor. Hence, this case is registered as rape. And guys, a gigantic legal problem this actor will be facing is that because the victim girl was a minor, hence he has been charged under the POCSO Act, which is Protection of Child from Sexual Offences. And I must tell you, this act is no joke, as it contains highly strict provisions, and getting bail under this act is a hefty task in itself, as this particular act was enacted for the protection of children. Hence the law has prescribed higher punishments for the wrongdoers. Further, after the arrest, as our law says that the arrested person must be produced before the nearest magistrate within 24 hours. Therefore, he was produced by the police before the magistrate, and after application of his judicial mind and looking at the gravity of offence, the magistrate remanded him to 14 days judicial custody, which means he will be kept inside jail and not inside police station. Now, if it did strike your mind that why exactly 14 days and not a day more or less, then the reasoning is that a magistrate is not empowered to remand any accused to custody beyond the period of 15 days as mentioned under section 167(2) of the Code of Criminal Procedure. So this is why 14 days, and after the expiry of this period he will again be produced before the magistrate, where to my mind police will again seek his remand for further investigation. And if the magistrate thinks that the custody is required, he will again remand him for a period below 15 days. And in case he believes that the custody of Pearl is not required, he will straight away dismiss the remand application of police and will release the actor on bail. So guys, this is the initial legal outlook of this recently hyped case from the television industry. I'll keep you updated with whatever happens next. If you wanna know how to use call recordings as evidence in court, click on the first video. This is a legal companion signing off. Until we meet again.